Welcome to another video. Becoming wealthy is like a game, and to win a game, you have to be familiar with the rules. The better you know the rules, the faster you can become filthy rich. In this video, I'll tell you the 7 passive income ideas with little money. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more smart money concepts. Number 1. Leverage high-interest bank accounts. Are you expecting to make passive income just by having money in your bank account? To tell you the truth, you're not actually maximizing the returns on your money. Saving money in the bank won't make you rich on the spot, but if you put your money into yielding accounts, there's a bigger possibility that it will grow at a quicker rate. Good thing banks don't require minimum amounts for these kinds of accounts, so if you don't have millions, you can still earn extra money from what you have. In 2019, the midpoint savings account interest rate was a measly 0.09%. Sadly, people take it simply because they're not aware that there are a number of better options available. Both Capital One 360 as well as Discover Savings currently offers between a 0.45% to 0.50% APYs in 2022 if you're looking for a low-risk, high-interest earning cash account. That's more than 5 times the average. Another advantage is that you don't have to pay a certain amount for fees. Basically, the difference in the interest you earn is totally yours to keep. Let's see the difference on a yearly basis. So if you had $500 in a standard savings account with just 0.09% interest rate annually, you would earn only 45 cents a year. What can you buy with 45 cents? On the other hand, a higher interest account with 0.50% annual interest would leave you with $2.50. It's true that it isn't that high either, but it's a lot better than 45 cents, right? But as you add to your account, your returns get higher too. Number 2. Start a blog. Are you a good writer or even just a mediocre one? Writing blogs can be another great way to make passive income. It will take time, but once your content online starts to gain popularity on Google search engine, you can continue earning money whether you continue writing or not. So are you curious about how a blog can make money? Let me explain it further. Well, as your blog gets views, readers will interact with your site. Interactions include following your affiliate links, buying courses you made, or using Google Ads. It's true that at the beginning, making blogs requires a lot of effort. In order to get traction, you need to do your research, write the content, and market it. But once your content becomes popular, you can make money on a monthly basis. Another great thing about writing a blog is the startup cost. You only need a domain and web hosting that doesn't cost a fortune. GoDaddy, for example, offers a domain for as low as $2.99 for the first year and less than $30 for 2 years. That's enough time for your content to start making passive income. In terms of hosting, HostGator is a good option. They offer low-cost web hosting for less than $4 a month. Annually, the cost is just under $50, so if you earn passive income, it could all be yours for only $50 a year. Number 3. Sell ebooks. Sometimes constructing a blog can be time-consuming and difficult because of all the technical editing. Why don't you self-publish your own ebook? Selling your own ebook is a little less burdensome, and it is often much shorter than normal books. It's also cost-effective when it comes to making passive income. So if you have a computer, you are in for a good start. All you need to produce your ebook is your Word document containing your text and a cover image. You can do the writing, editing, and graphics yourself, but you can get help from professionals who provide services at an affordable rate. For example, you can get a professional book cover on Fiverr for just $5. Proofreading can also be contracted out for a low cost, so that means for around $50, you can start making passive income. If you're wondering how you can get started, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is the answer. It's probably the easiest platform where you can publish your ebooks. It only takes a few minutes to publish, and it will appear in the Kindle stores worldwide within 1 or 2 days. You can earn up to 70% royalties on each buyer worldwide with Amazon KDP. The best thing is that you can set your own price and make changes anytime you want. Number 4. Sell online courses. The best time to take advantage of the information age is in the 21st century through sales of digital products like online courses. You've probably seen a lot of them online, and that's because it's a good way to earn passive income. But you might say that you have no idea which course to create. Don't be anxious. Others think that way too, so it's normal. Good news is that there's a market for almost any information product online. That includes web development, productivity, and even journalism. So if you're skilled at one of these or even in multiple areas, you can use your talents to create a valuable course. Another concern you might have is the cost. Don't worry, because the good thing about this is that you only need audio, slideshow, or video of the course creator. That means that if you have a smartphone to produce these, then you won't need any upfront capital for this method because that's all you really need. It's also cost effective because there are multiple platforms where you can market your online courses for free. Once you make a sale, you'll receive a percentage of the profit. Let's take Udemy as an example. Using this site's organic traffic, you will receive 50% of the course cost. But if you make your own sales, you'll get a net profit of 97%. So you can easily make passive income with your current knowledge and a computer or smartphone. Helpful ideas to make passive income, huh? Well, we've got more information for you. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. Number 5. Start an ad agency. In your city, there are probably a lot of businesses that don't have effective ads since they don't know how to market using social media. Most of them are familiar with Facebook pages, but they can do more. Here's where you can swoop in and be a Facebook ad agency owner. Once everything has been initially set up for your client's advertising campaign, you'll have very little ongoing tasks to do. It'll only take a few minutes to check in. So that means with proper time management, you can have more than one client. You might think that you need to be an expert to do this. Not at all. Even with little experience, you can make Facebook ads. If you're not confident enough with your skills, you can take advantage of free beginner and intermediate level tutorials on YouTube. There are even Facebook ad courses on Udemy for as low as $15. Since you're selling your services like Facebook marketing, there's very little to almost no starting capital. So how much can you earn as a Facebook agency owner? Well, you can charge from a few hundred to a few $1,000s a month per client as a Facebook specialist. That's the reason why I personally like this passive income idea. Number 6. Make an online store. Today, a lot of people create passive income through successful online stores, and most of this is drop shipping. If you're unfamiliar, let me explain how it works. Your online store offers products from a certain manufacturer. Customers will visit the site and purchase a product. Your system sends the order to a specific manufacturer. Then, the manufacturer sends the order by shipping the product directly to the customer. Finally, you'll now be able to collect the profits. In this kind of business, you don't need to order inventory. That means you just need a low initial cost. Perfect for someone who has a little money to start with. Setting up a shop is also affordable. Many dropshippers set up their stores on Shopify, which only charges $30 a month. That is a lot cheaper than renting a building or a shop that can cost you thousands of dollars. Again, you just need to set up everything and the rest will be totally automated. What a great way to earn passive income. Number 7. Create a YouTube channel. People like us earn money by making YouTube videos. Sometimes people use YouTube for entertainment, but you can also use it to earn some income. Every time someone watches your YouTube video and an ad pops up, you can make money from it. Another way to earn from YouTube is when viewers buy your courses or affiliate products. So after releasing the video, you can earn with just a little effort. But in reality, running a channel is hard because you have to build an audience and it takes consistent work to attract people. How can you earn by just relying on ad revenue? Let's look at the channel Far From Average. It has over 3 million views monthly. How much does the owner earn? Well, he earns over $10,000 in ad revenue alone. We all know that this channel has been around for a long time. But what about a smaller channel? Sometimes they make a few $100s a month. The best thing about starting a YouTube channel is that it isn't expensive. Are you familiar with Mr. Beast? He's a YouTuber with over 20 million subscribers. He started his channel with an iPhone. So why not try making a channel and trust the process? If people find your content to be entertaining, educational, or helpful in any way, you might have just found your calling. There you have it, 7 passive income ideas on a shoestring budget with low income. Okay, before you start choosing the best passive income idea, you should click the like and subscribe buttons now to make sure that you don't miss our next video.